Hello guys, my name is Viktor Svetoslavov. I'm one of the chef instructors here at HRC Culinary Academy. Today I will try to give you a couple of tips for your scholarship competition, what we would take in consideration when we grade your applications. So number one, the theme of the competition this year is modern healthy cuisine or modern healthy cooking. So number one, I would highly recommend you to just go into the theme, not to get a recipe that you think of and somebody that you use to cook. Get a dish or find a dish, research a little bit. You still have time, so research a little bit so you stay on the topic, okay? Then number two, please choose carefully your products, because healthy cooking and then bacon, or healthy cooking and then too much fat or too much sugar or too much salt doesn't really work together. Then another one would be presentation. Fortunately or not, we ain't gonna be able to try the food, or not at first, so maybe later on we could cook some of the recipes that you suggest, but we would see it on a picture or even better on a video. So for sure it should be visualized, not just described. A picture at least would be almost mandatory. As I said, I would prefer a short video or something, and then put some effort into the presentation, okay? It should not be like out of this world, but nice presentation would enhance, would give you a bonus point, all right? Don't forget, the people always see it first with the eyes, okay? Then be creative, okay? Do not, we don't expect you to be master chefs already. So please show us, even if you have some weird ideas, better go on them. So this much you can express your personality rather than go safe. And last but not least, please show us how motivated you are. This is the most important thing. In every culinary school, in every restaurant, chefs are more interested in seeing young, or even not only young, but old type of people. But as long as they're motivated, we can teach you the rest, okay? So that's pretty much everything I have to say about this. Good luck. I'll see you in September.